Kia ora koutou, e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai. I'm glad you have arrived here at this little e-book, as I call it. I pronounce E, interactive information. And it goes with all our other E words, kiimaimäori, whakatau, ki waha, and then hence the e-book and the iiWāNANga, all to do with digital and electronic. So this little e-book I've prepared for you is just an introduction to Te Reo Māori. I've called it the iiWāNANga, and this one pertains to some karakia that have arrived to me, come to me and said, oh, that's a good one, oh, that's a good one. And I've put a series of them together without overthinking it. They just arrived one at a time. Ko te pū te more, it's all about new beginnings. The second one, kia tau ngā manaakitanga, about respect and responsibility to the universe. That's all about that one, and an acknowledgement and our contribution, our call to action to look after it. Kia toi te kupu, kia toi te mana. Then the karakia tuatoru was all about acknowledging kai and contributing sources of that food, being from the bush, from natural resources, from the ocean, to ngā tāne, ngā tangaroa, and just acknowledging things. It's all about acknowledgements. The fourth one was about acknowledging te Māori a te mātauranga, the essence and the life essence of knowledge itself, from its infancy, its preconception, to its being born and provoking thought and the dialogue, and then hence your eventual knowledge and understanding, and so on. And it goes through. There's 10 there. And I think the fifth one it comes from a Christian context or a religious context, whatever that is, whatever they are to you. But it's still, they're all good. They're good pieces to help you with your reo Māori. I'm not trying to indoctrinate you, but I'm showing you all the different ways from a Māori worldview, and even the lesson I got out of learning the Lord's Prayer. E tō mātou matua I te rangi. Kia whakatapua tō ingoa. And you'll go on a journey, but that one, out of all of them, it's a good one for learning sentence structures, for personal pronouns, for locatives. Try them all out. Whakataka te hau, it's all about acknowledging the weather patterns. How that wind meets that wind, how they quell each other, how they come inland, and it changes the temperature. How it goes out being really cool, but setting itself up to be a beautiful day. So these are about acknowledging different things on our journey. So enjoy. I've put it together as an iiWāNANga, so it comes as a PDF, but half of it is electronic. Press each one of those icons and it'll take you to a video or a tutorial all about that particular karakia. In the back of the iiWāNANga is the printable document file, the PDF part of it that you can print off for yourself. And it's not so much in colour, it's just in black and white form, so you can run it off, laminate it, give it to your students, get them to write it out, or you can just photocopy it for them. Anyway, I give it to you with the love that it was given to me from our tipuna, merely to help you with your reo. And learning karakia has helped me with my reo. I don't have a kaiako here to teach me. I've had a kaiako in the past who taught me so much, and I think I learnt a lot by just observing and watching my dad. We learnt about tikanga Māori, but we've been on our own journey, just like you, to learn te reo. Slow down, take your time, do one karakia, learn it, let it imbue itself within you, do it again and again and again. And as it was said to me, son, karakia, karakia, karakia. And then when you're sick of it, more karakia, karakia, karakia. And I'm going to leave you on that note to enjoy this resource I've made for you. Karakia will help you with your reo Māori and your journey. I wish you all the best. Awhi mai, awhi atu, aroha mai, aroha atu. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, tīna, haumie, huie, tai ki e. Woo! Go hard and learn those karakia. All right, I'm going to check you out. Okay, hei ko nei rā.